Alright, I just made this melody. This sounds like some Uzi shit, so I think we're gonna try to make a Uzi type beat right now. So let's get right into it. I traded that sound out for the sound in Pigments. You know what? I'm gonna have to do this right now, bruh. Alright, so this is a slow-mo sound. I'm gonna clone this. Alright, so that's gonna be at the start of the beat, right? Like a little intro. And the second sound, I'm just gonna automate the gross beat effect so that after like it repeats once, it's just gonna drop. Okay, that's pretty hard. Alright, I'm worried that my CPU is gonna start tanking after a minute because I got like 4 of these open right now, about to be 5, and I'm not even close to done. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh my god, I can't even do anything, bro. Are you kidding me? Well, that shit fucking crashed, man. Alright, we're gonna open up another Pigments. Hopefully it don't crash this time. Alright, it crashed again. Might try to reverse this with some gross beat, like something like this. Okay, yeah, that's trash, man. I'm not gonna do that. Alright, now I just gotta find a really, really good 808. It can't be no bullshit 808, you know what I'm saying? Like the hat. It's a nice hat.
The walker in the purple that was on the bus. Don't get me started about how a walker was sitting on the bus after it got firebombed or napalmed
Oh my god, bro. You gotta be fucking kidding me, bro. I just gotta make it better now. That's what this means. I just gotta make this shit better. So we got this gated pad, right? Then we got the main melody. This is just a supporting melody right here. And then we got that like reverse pluck sound. And we got this like sequencer sound right here. The fucking flute lead sound. If you really want this shit to sound like fucking sick, you gotta make sure that the preset you're using has like a legato like slide feature, so it glides along the piano fucking pad. What the fuck is this shit called? Piano roll. Because, you know, otherwise it'll sound like this instead of it sliding. And then we got the 808. And then I just did these hi-hats just now. Clap, basic clap. And there's the same as the clap. Fucking perk stick. Open hat, crash. You know, basic shit, right? Since this is supposed to be like a hyperpop slash EDM type beat, I'm really gonna be focusing on like the way I arrange it to give it that like EDM feel. I think that's pretty much it. I'm gonna let this shit play.